so well the day that you came into my life. You asked for my name. You had the most beautiful smile. My life started to change. I wake up each day feeling alright with you right by my side. Makes me feel things will work out just fine. How did you
Si boss? Ang mambal ko lang yung tutuod si boss. Aga pa nang isabalan niya ko na pala, lesson plan mo din na. Pero, deep inside na si boss. Basta stricto ka boss. Love na love ka nga. Balaan ko kaya pusong mamon ka. Mula na, happy birthday!
in my life? I never forget.
To have a great boss who is also a good friend is truly I am grateful for. Happy birthday, Ma'am Jem. And a boss who is willing to help in times of trouble. Kalma sa tanan nga bagay. And pwede gid mag-apply driver ka ambulansya o mag-retire ka, ma'am. Joke lang. Happy birthday, Ma'am Jem, and thank you so much.
Boss, okay.
Ma'am, ko lang as supervisor maka busybody. But I know deep inside boss, you love us. The most caring and thoughtful kag in times of trouble kag sa pagbulig aron. I'm so thankful to have a boss, a friend like you. I love you, boss. Happy birthday.
Siya ang pinakamakulit-kulit nga leader nga nakilala ko. Ang iya nga kakulit, may baylo, ina. Nga pagkatapos, ina iya, okay? Let's drink! Cheers! Hamugin na iya dayon, pagtapos nga makumo ng tanan yung plan niya. Okay, so once again, boss, thank you so much. Happy birthday. Basta kulit-kulit, kagidya. Love ya!
I remember so well.
Let me greet my best friend, my true friend since our college days, Ma'am Gemma
For my name.
Sufficiencia Dio Campo. Happy birthday. Ang ako lang yung mahambal bilang isa gikatunay nga amiga. Through ups and downs, ara siya sa akon. Hindi niya ako ginapabayaan. Bisan may mga misunderstanding kami, pero dila ko gidya ano siya nga katawagin siya sa akon kung gabi, kung kamusta ako, nag-aalala siya, especially kung balaan niya nga may sakit ako. Kag as a friend, kinakiga niya na ako permi, lalo na kung masakit ako. Ginatabog gid ako na nga mapa-check up. Hindi siya nag-untap sa bulig sa akon sa tanan nga bagay, ma-financial man or sa iba nga butang nga para maka-stable ako diri sa National High School sa Haro. Ma'am Jem, salamat kay ara ka pirmi sa akon. Ang wish ko lang sa imo nga matagaan ka pa sang madamo pa nga birthday. Atagan ka sang maayong health. Kag ang ginapangayo ko lang sa imo as a friend nga hagan-hagan lang sa pagugtas may mga solusyon kitang tanan. So happy birthday again.
Space in my heart.
Hello, Ma'am Jim. No words can express much. I'm thankful and blessed to have you as my true friend. Happy birthday, and I wish and pray that you may have more birthdays to come and to celebrate together with your friends and your family. Again, happy, blessed birthday today.
I remember so well the day that you came into my life.
So happy 50th birthday, Mama. So, Mama, being as a mother, is always a supportive and caring. So, whenever we needed her, she's always there. She always lead us to the right path. Even magliko-liko na kami, pero ara man siya gyapon, no? She always understands us, especially ako nga damo-damo activities sa school, no have time for her, pero she still understands that because it's for our future, and she always support us going to do or what we want and give us what we wanted. So thank you for being there, for understanding, and for motivating us to be on the right path and to the right goal, no, for our future. So enjoy your day, enjoy this day because tigulang ka na. So enjoy this, and we will do best then as your children. So thank you for being there and being supportive. So happy birthday ulit. Happy 50th birthday, Mama.
No words can express how much I love you.
Mama, happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Love you.
How did you know I needed someone like you in my life? That there was an empty space in my heart. You came at the right time in my life. Oh, I never forget how you brought the sun to shine in my life and took all the worries and fears that I had. I guess what I'm really trying to say, it's not every day that someone like you comes my way. No words can express how much.
Hello, happy 50th anniversary. Ambal din, anago lang. Kay para rush ko, no? Karoon lang ko have greetings to you. And syempre, healthy life. God, more blessings to come. More passions to us.
Trying to say, it's not every day that someone like you comes my way. No words can express